Hello everyone, I'm here at my friend's house. Recently, I met him in a potluck, and he used to bring us very delicious dish. So I asked him, okay, whether you do some dish for our channel also, and he said yes, why not? And that's why we are here in front of his house, and his name is Bharath. So let's go inside. Hi
Hello,
Bharath,
hi Swapna.
how are you?
I'm good. How are you guys?
So wow, nice. So today you invite us, and so what you are planning for making today for our channel?
So today, plan to prepare creamy potato dill salad, one of my favorites.
Creamy potato dill salad. Wow, it sounds delicious for me. My mouth is already watering. So yeah, can we start now or not?
You guys can come in, sit for a while, and then we can get started.
Yeah, till that we can talk to Bharat also.
So, hi Bharath.
Hi,
Can
Sapna.
you introduce yourself to our audience?
Hi guys, I'm Bharath. I'm from Bangalore. I'm a freelance digital marketer, and I've been almost plant-based from the last 6 years. And I think I met you at one of the potlucks.
Yeah.
So we got acquainted there. But my journey, I was a non-vegetarian, and for almost close to, I think, 26 years.
Maybe I think you are from family from
Yes,
non-vegetarian
yes, I'm
family.
from a non-vegetarian
Okay.
family as
Yeah.
well. So,
Mm-hmm.
but yeah, later during my during I think when I was 25, 26, I started facing some issues,
Mm-hmm.
health issues. I was diagnosed with alopecia areata.
Mm-hmm.
So that's basically an autoimmune disorder where
Okay.
bald spots appear on your head. So I
Okay.
was very young. I was like,
Mm-hmm.
why am I getting all this? I'm just 25, 26 year old. Why am I losing my hair? That was my first thought. I
Mm-hmm.
was like, okay, something's not right. So then I consulted the doctor, and then we did some blood tests, reports, and all that. And I recovered from it, but still I wasn't
So,
convinced enough.
so you show to homeopathy?
Homeopathy, yeah.
So, what they suggest you, like what to take and all?
They did suggest me to take the good food along with, I mean, obviously any doctor will tell no junk, no processed food, but they did tell me to consume more fish
Fish, yeah.
because some of the fish, a few fishes, I think maybe salmon, I think other few I forgot, they have a vitamin D in the meat. So they were suggesting me to eat those fish and mushrooms and some sources of food where I would get vitamin D along with the supplements. So this is what they had suggested. So with that food and then the homeopathy medicines and tablets as well, I was able to recover. Yeah.
So how come you recovered it and you are continuing that thing? And what thought you came in your mind so you turned not to have this non-veg and all those things you had to quit? Why?
Yeah. So basically, I mean, I recovered, but I still wasn't convinced by myself because I had been eating the same food for the last 25. So even if I continue to eat the same food, how is it going to make any difference if I want to change things or be healthy?
Yeah, these medicines might be recovered. I mean, temporary, it is not showing up, but what it could be like in future, if it come back like that, you are worried. And
I was just a bit worried, so I just thought, let me do some of my own research. So yeah, with the help of Google and other various resources, I found out that they were using a lot of antibiotics, hormones in the meat, being injected in the meat. I thought that's not healthy. So whatever the marketing gimmick is being, whatever it's been prescribed by people or dietitians or nutritionists saying that we need to consume more meat, more eggs, but those meat and eggs are not pure. They have been adulterated. There's a lot of hormones, antibiotics in them. So I thought that's not the right way to go about it. So that's when I got to know about plant-based, and then I did come across Sharan, Dr. Nandita Shah, and a few more resources as well. So with that help, I was like, I made a choice. Like, yeah, I think this seems a better way. So even if I consume plants, if it's organic, it's even better. So that's when I made the choice to go, okay, let me go this way. Let me see how this works, basically.
How long it took for you to transfer?
Transition wasn't easy because
easy.
I've been eating
like
non-vegetarian.
whole year.
I think I was in I mean, I used to eat non-vegetarian every day. At least one meal had to
Oh my
be
God,
non-vegetarian.
every day.
Every day, yes. At least one meal had to be non-vegetarian.
Mm-hmm.
So it was difficult initially, but then I made the choice. But it took me a while to get transition. Maybe it took around close to 6 to 9 months, I would say. But
Okay.
yeah, so I had to eliminate
Yeah.
each group
But
slowly.
you figured out, right?
Yes.
And how you did, like step by step, or
Yeah, so for me it was like, okay, I quit meat.
first
Then
step
first
is
I
that
quit,
meat.
yeah, first I
Yeah.
quit meat, and then I was like, I kept eating egg for the next 3 months, then I quit egg.
Okay.
Then I moved to vegetarian, so I used to eat vegetarian.
Mm.
And then I quit all the dairy products, and then I
And then now,
transitioned into plant-based.
like more version of like sugar, all those things you don't consume, I guess.
I don't
outside
consume
food
much.
and all bakery items.
Not much.
Yeah.
Sometimes occasionally do indulge if I
Mhm.
go outside with friends, but it's very less.
So
compared to
how is your daily routine now? So what do you eat from morning to night?
So morning I wake up, I just do a bit of meditation, and then I go for workouts. I go hit the gym, and then I've recently started MMA and kickboxing also.
Wow.
So start my day with that, and then after that I eat. Once I come back home, I take a shower, and then I eat fruits. My first meal is
First meal is fruits.
fruits,
Okay.
or fruits or smoothie.
Smoothie.
Yeah, either one of those. And then I think around 1 or 2ish, I feel hungry, so I eat a whole food plant-based meal. And then that's my first cooked meal. And then the second meal around 6:37, I finish my second meal. And
You finish it.
yes.
So in between you don't snack it or something?
Sometimes if I do snack, I'll eat some dry fruits, or
Okay.
I'll have some makhana. So makhana or some roasted peanuts, something like that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow, that's a nice thing. Everyone can do this, but yeah, only thing is we need some consistency,
Yes.
right? And if it is become like if it become a habit, then no need to worry, right?
Yes.
It will take care.
Yes.
Okay.
It is difficult to be consistent also.
Yeah.
I'm not 100% consistent. I'm also human.
Okay. Yeah.
So maybe 80,
Yeah.
80, 85%.
Maximum you try to do these things. Yeah, nice thing. Like you eat early also, and you eat late breakfast also.
Yeah, so that I get the intermittent fasting as well. At least I try to aim for 12 to 14 hours, at least on a daily basis. Then sometimes, I mean, it's just been recently, I did 3-day fruit fasting. So like
you do fastings also in between?
Yeah, so just a 3-day fruit diet.
Fasting
fruit
or
diet.
juice fasting?
Juicing I haven't done much.
Okay.
But fruit, I do it at least once in 3 months or twice in 6 months. Once in 6 months or something.
So 1 day or 3 days?
3 days.
Yes. Okay. Oh, you said the creamy dill salad, right?
Yes, it's an Italian salad. So
Yeah.
Italian cuisine is one of my favorite cuisines. So, and it's also one of my favorite dish. So it's creamy dill potato salad.
Okay.
So
let's go. Yeah. I am in the kitchen. So he has prepared some already kept ready.
Yes.
So can you explain like what all things
So I've kept
required?
some ingredients ready. So this is dill leaves.
Oh, you have removed, and we should not add stem.
No, just the leaves.
Just the leaves.
Just the leaves.
Yes. Okay.
So we're gonna finely chop them later, and then I have soaked cashews for close to an hour.
Okay.
And then we'll be using lettuce.
Okay.
And some baby potatoes. So we're going to be steaming the baby potatoes. Lettuce will be adding it to the salad.
Okay.
So we'll be mixing all these ingredients together. And with the cashews, we'll be making cashew mayonnaise, which will give a nice creamy, rich flavor. So it's a very good combination. The dill and the cashew is a very good combination.
Okay.
What we can do is we can get started. I can chop the potatoes and then we can steam it. Yes.
Or else we can just cook it little bit.
We can also cook it also. Yeah. But I prefer steaming because the nutrition of the vegetables
will
remain intact. So I prefer steaming.
Okay.
So we can get started with that, and then once the potatoes are being steamed, we can make the dressing, cashew mayonnaise and mustard.
Bachelor.
Thank you for pointing it out.
So, many bachelors will complain that I can't do this lifestyle and all. It is very difficult and all. So how are you managing it? How can you give some tips to them?
So usually I mean, we know time is not,
Mhm.
time is very essential and we don't have much time. We'll be doing a lot of stuff.
Mhm.
So I try to keep my cooking time within 30 minutes.
Within 30
Within
minutes.
30
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so if I'm alone, I usually make one pot meals or
Mhm.
some salads like this. So it's very easy
Mhm.
and it's nutritious also.
Yeah.
So I've just cut the baby potatoes into small cubes.
Okay, so we are going to put this in a steamer.
Yes.
So you have kept already here
Yes.
on the gas. So yeah, just we have to
I'm just gonna
Okay.
add the
Yeah.
potatoes.
So this big is enough.
Yeah, these were good because it'll be nice, soft and crunchy also a little bit.
Okay. So we'll close this and
Yes.
that's it. And
So
how much time we have to
I
cook?
think it's gonna take 15 minutes.
15
10
minutes.
to 10 to 15 minutes.
Okay. So till that we can chop the
Yeah.
the
So
leaves and the things.
yeah, let's do that.
Okay.
Before we chop the other dill
Mhm.
leaves and lettuce, we can make the cashew mayonnaise.
Okay, we can
So,
go with that.
yeah.
So now we have taken here cashews. So we have to grind this first,
Yes.
right? So how should be it coarse grind or
Finely.
finely?
Finely.
Okay.
It should be very nice and creamy texture.
So
Yeah.
only cashews or water or anything
Yeah,
else?
so I'll be adding some cashews, water, and I have also made my homemade hot and sweet mustard.
Okay. So you already made this.
So I've already prepared this.
So what is this? What all things
So-
you have added?
Soaked mustard seeds.
Oh, this is mustard seed.
Yeah,
Yeah. We
so-
have to soak it
Yeah, we have to soak mustard seeds overnight.
overnight.
Yes. After soaking overnight, I have just grinded into a paste. Just
Hmm.
added some water, and
Okay.
I've added some little pepper
Pepper,
and some lemon
lemon,
and dates.
dates.
So it's going to give a hot and sweet.
So approximately how much this much mustard seed means?
So yeah, 1 cup mustard.
1 cup.
Yeah, half cup. I think so.
Half cup
Yeah,
mustard
half cup
seed.
mustard seeds,
Huh.
and then half lemon,
Half lemon,
2 dates,
2 dates.
and some 10 to 12 peppercorns.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
I just grinded them
Just
nicely
grind.
into a paste.
Mhm.
I've added some little water. So
Okay.
it gives a nice hot and sweet pungent flavor. You can just smell it.
Yeah.
It gives a nice kick.
Wow. Yeah, it smells good. This is ready actually.
Yeah,
This
that's
is
ready.
ready,
That is
right?
ready.
And we are making now a cashew dressing.
Yes. So I'll just be adding this cashews.
Cashews. How
Let-
much cashews you have taken?
Here it's close to
1.5
200.
cup, 2 cup,
Yeah,
2
2
cups.
cups. Yes.
Yeah.
It's close to.
So if it is more
200
also, you can just store
Yeah,
it in
you can
fridge.
store in
Yeah.
fridge. It will be fresh for one week
1 week.
easily because there's no
Oh.
preservatives, nothing.
Yeah. 1
So
week.
you can use it for your dips, or
Mm.
you can use it for your sandwiches,
Mhm.
or toast.
So we have to remove this water, right?
Yes.
And after that we can grind this. We
Yes.
can put fresh water.
Just gonna add some of the soaked cashews. I'll just take a little bit of salt.
Little bit of salt. Pinch salt.
You can use any salt.
Mhm.
So this is my.
Oh,
this is
we
the-
have to add here also this
Yes,
one.
yes.
Okay.
So this give a nice tangy and pungent.
So we can
pungent
make
flavor.
this and keep this also, right?
Yeah, you
In
can
the-
store this also.
Yeah.
You can easily store this for a month.
1 month.
Yeah, easily.
Oh, okay.
So I'm just gonna add 1
1 tablespoon.
tablespoon.
Okay.
That's it. And then I'm gonna add some water.
Mm-hmm.
Also, we need to add little lemon.
Okay, lemon also we have to add.
Yeah. So just this will. So once we grind it, it's gonna make into a nice creamy texture. So
Okay.
this turned out into a nice
Wow.
creamy mayonnaise. That's
Nice.
very easy to make.
Yeah.
A cashew mayonnaise also. Cashew is also very rich in flavor and taste.
To help you. So can I cut this
Yes, please. Yeah.
lettuce and
So
how
this-
to cut this? Like not
Yeah.
finely chopped, I guess.
Yeah,
right?
this medium
Medium.
size. You can just cut it into half.
Yeah.
Yes, and then
Then just chop it like this.
yes.
If it is
You can
little
just
big
take-
also,
yeah,
it's fine,
It's
right?
fine also. Because once you use it in the salad,
Mm-hmm.
the leaves are going to shrink.
Yeah.
After we add the cashew
Yeah.
mayonnaise.
Yeah.
It's a little brownish. You can just remove that. Nothing wrong with it, but it just
Yeah.
it's really little bitter.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
We have to chop this
Yes,
the
you
leaves
need to finely chop it.
finely.
Yes.
Okay, I'll try. So we have things kept ready, okay, and we have what is this lettuce? and dill leaves, and potato is also ready, and our dressing,
Cashew
right?
mayonnaise.
Okay, only 4 ingredients now. If it is, this is ready, and only 4 ingredients, right?
We'll just have to add everything and
Add
then
everything together.
mix together. We're adding the cashew mayonnaise. I'll just add a little bit of salt.
Okay. So we have already added little
Salt, so I'm just
but,
adding at the end.
Yeah. Okay.
So that it gives a little flavor.
Okay.
It looks so creamy
Yeah. Wow.
and so mouth-watering.
Nice. Now tasting time. Wow, it's looking so beautiful actually, and the taste. Let me see. Actually, it's so delicious. You know, the creaminess and the potato and this everything. I can taste everything.
Yes, you get the like the natural flavor of all the
Natural
ingredients.
Flavor. All the ingredients.
There's
I
no
can taste.
masalas, nothing, just natural.
I will say just try this, and please put the comment and say how it is, like how it came to you. But for me, like it's very delicious. I'm going to finish this full because it's so delicious. You know. Thank you, Bharath, for making
No, it's my
this.
pleasure.
Thank you so much. See, bachelor can make this much means, and that actually it doesn't take much time, and it is so delicious. Like we are taking so much of effort and making time to cook one dish, but it doesn't take much time. But it is very delicious, fulfilling also.
Yes.
Yeah, I can say I can fill my stomach with this. So go ahead, make this one for you also. And thank you for coming for my channel and showing this recipe to the audience, everyone. And thank you.
It's my pleasure.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So we'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye. Namaste.
Bye.
Thank you so much for watching till the end. If you would like to showcase your recipes on my channel, I would love to come and shoot at your place. Okay, and it should be Satvic and healthy. Okay, so feel free to message me on Instagram or you can email me. So details are in the caption. Thank you so much.